Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study for a client in the biotechnology sector. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups, and more. I also help clients with pitch decks. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it for you. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. This video highlights a comprehensive database of biotechnology investors I recently created for a UK-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client is looking for $1.25 million, and they're in the biotechnology medical field. Even though they're based in the UK, their primary territory for raising funds is the USA. And the database source that we're looking for is biotechnology, and they'd like to end up with around 400 contacts if possible. So how do I find these contacts? I have a master database with over 400,000 contacts, and that includes new contacts that have just been added as we sit here in August 2023. This includes an extensive database of venture capital, private equity, angel investors, family investment offices, hedge funds, and a very large database of high net worth and ultra high net worth individual investors. So what did the final database include? I was able to find 625 contacts, included 210 emails, and also had 210 LinkedIn addresses, and 625 websites. And that includes some key contacts with titles and email addresses for many of these firms. So what type of contacts will benefit a biotechnology investors database? Well, this includes biotech startups and entrepreneurs, which is what this particular client is, innovators seeking funding for their biotechnology solutions from early stage to more mature startups, research institutions and universities, entities aiming to commercialize their academic discoveries and looking for partnerships or licensing deals, pharmaceutical companies, big pharma seeking to collaborate with or acquire promising biotech ventures or looking for market insights, medical device manufacturers, innovators in the overlapping space of biotechnologies and medical devices seeking funding or collaboration opportunities, diagnostics and agricultural biotech companies, firms developing advanced diagnostic tools or sustainable farming solutions driven by biotechnology looking for investment, and bioinformatics and health IT companies, enterprises offering tools to analyze the vast data generated by biotechnology, seeking investment partnerships. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here, I have 252,000 contacts, and again, that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, and investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital. And it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case. And then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database section, and as you can see here, we ended up with around 625 potential targets for them. Most of these are in the USA and UK, and because the client is based in the UK and the USA is the main target, mainly because that is where the majority of the venture capital and funding sources for the biotech field are going to come from, and of course the UK. They're willing to also look in Asia and the rest of Europe if needed, but this gives us a good amount to start off with. So of course we've got the country, the type, and you can see most of these are going to be venture capital, they're going to be hedge funds, some are angel groups, family investment offices definitely are one of the main targets here due to the amount of wealth that they hold. So this gives them a good starting point. Includes the websites, LinkedIn's, emails, and they are all leading in with biotechnology as one of the key sectors that the firm looks at, which allows them to build synergies with them when they're trying to do their pitch. And of course the firm name, and a large amount of these already have a very detailed description, which is also going to assist them in their initial research as well. So this is how I was able to find a database of 625 contacts in the biotech sector. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My databases include venture capital, private equity, family offices, angel investors, angel groups, and high net worth investors with over 400,000 verified global contacts. And be sure to check out my full database of family investment offices, the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors. This is the largest database of family investment offices that you're able to access. There's over 10,000 contacts. Click my Fiverr link below for more information. Thank you for watching this video.